Setting clear boundaries between work and rest is important for a healthy and balanced life. When you mix work and rest, you can feel tired, stressed, and less productive. This guide will help you learn simple steps to separate your work time from your rest time. Step 1. Define your work hours. Choose specific hours in the day for work. For example, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Stick to these hours every day. When work time starts, focus only on work tasks. When work time ends, stop working completely. This helps your brain know when it is time to work and when it is time to relax. Step 2. Create a workspace. Have a special place for work only. This can be a desk or a corner of a room. Do not use this place for resting or watching TV. When you sit in this space, your brain understands it is work time. When you leave the space, it is time to rest. Step 3. Use breaks wisely. During work hours, take short breaks. Stand up, stretch, or walk for a few minutes. Avoid working for long hours without a break because this causes tiredness. Short breaks help you feel fresh and improve focus. Step 4. Turn off work notifications after hours. When your work day ends, turn off email and work app notifications on your phone and computer. This stops work messages from disturbing your rest time. If possible, keep your work devices in a different room after work hours. Step 5. Plan relaxing activities for rest time after work. Do things that help you relax. This can be reading, listening to music, spending time with family, or exercising. Avoid checking work emails or thinking about work during your rest time. This helps your mind and body recover. Step 6. Communicate your boundaries. Tell your coworkers, friends, and family about your work hours and rest time. Ask them to respect your boundaries. This makes it easier for you to keep work and rest separate. Setting boundaries between work and rest takes practice but is very helpful. When you follow these steps, you will feel less stressed and more productive. Remember, work is important, but rest is necessary for a happy and healthy life.